To get started with TikTok Shop Affiliate, you need to have a TikTok account and a TikTok shop. If you don't have one, create an account and set up your shop by going to the Profile tab and clicking on the three dots. To access the Creator Portal, first, you need to apply to the TikTok Shop Affiliate program. To do this, go to the TikTok Creator Portal and navigate to the Earnings tab. Then click on Affiliate and apply. Once you are accepted, you can start promoting products from the TikTok shop and earning commissions. To find products to promote, go to the Discover tab and browse through the available products. You can also use the search bar to find specific products. When you find a product you want to promote, click on it and then click on the Share button. Then select the affiliate link option. You can then share the affiliate link on your TikTok videos or in the comments section. When someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission. You can track your earnings and the performance of your affiliate links in the Creator Portal. To increase your chances of success, make sure to only promote products that are relevant to your audience and that you believe in. You should also disclose your affiliation with the product in your videos or in the comments section. This is a requirement by the Federal Trade Commission. Additionally, make sure to read and follow the terms and conditions of the TikTok Shop Affiliate program. This will help you avoid any issues or penalties. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully use TikTok Shop Affiliate to earn money and grow your online presence.